Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. In this video, I show you how to draw and color Peppa Pig and George Pig in the toy factory. Let's start drawing. First, I draw Peppa Pig, starting with her nose. Then draw her eyes like this. I continue with her face, her smiling mouth, and her two ears. Then I draw her body. Now I'm drawing Peppa's toy. It is a mini version of Peppa Pig. It looks like her, right? Starting with its eyes, then draw its nose and its face. Then draw its two ears and its mouth. I draw its body like this. Then I draw hands of Peppa Pig. She is holding her toy. I continue to draw George Pig, starting with his eyes. Then I draw his nose and his face like this. His mouth is opening. Draw his cheek and his ears. Then I draw George's body. Draw his hands and his legs. He is jumping. He looks very happy with the new game. Draw his tail. Now I'm going to use this black marker. To make this drawing more visible, let's coloring together. First, I used light pink to paint the skin of Peppa and George. Peppa and George were happy to visit the toy factory. Here they create many of their own toys. I use light pink to paint Peppa's toy too. Look at George jumping and having fun. Do you like to jump like him? Pink for their cheeks and mouths. I color Peppa Pig's dress red. Then I color George's clothes dark blue. Green. Dark blue. Gray. And brown. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.